Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to add two numbers in binary format. In the last lecture we talked about how you can convert decimal numbers into binary numbers, and after that we also discussed about how you can increase the bit length by using padding of zeros. I hope you haven't forgot that yet. We'll just start with basic addition of two numbers and how your computer does it. Let's start with 4-bit numbers first, and then we'll go to 8-bit numbers. Okay. So let's see. Let's take a number 7 plus 8. Okay. So 7 will be represented as 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So this will be 1, 1 and 0. As our number is 4-bit, this will be 0. This is 7. Okay. Now, what I told you, 7 plus, let's take 7 plus 3. Okay. 0, 0, oh, sorry, 0, 0, 1 and 1. And let's add these two. I hope you have your pen and paper. Please complete this addition. You can pause the video. I hope you have got your answer. See how the addition goes. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 and borrow 1. Okay, so here you are going to add borrowed bit. Okay, carry 1. It will be carry 1. When both bits are 1, carry will be generated. And see again here 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1 is again 0 and again carry 1. Okay, so this answer will be 0 plus 0 plus 1 will be 1. Now see what is your answer. 8 plus 1. Okay, sorry, this is 6. Okay, this is 6. 0, 1, 1. I forgot to make this 1. So let's just take this 6 plus 3. And this is equal to 9, as you can see here. 8 plus 1. This is 9. Okay, now let's take another example. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. Okay, so this will be 0, 1, 1, 1, and this will be 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now what will be your answer? 1 plus 0 is 1, 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so this will be your answer. 1, 1, 1, 1 is 15. You got your answer. Now what if the addition is greater than 15, like let's say 9 plus 9. 9, 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, 0, 1. Both are 9. Now the addition should be 18. But remember, we have only 4 bits. So try to complete this addition. And see what happens. 1 plus 1 will be 0. Carry 1. This will be 0. 1 plus 1 will be 0. And carry will be generated. And as we only have 4 bits, we cannot store this carry, generated carry. We have to ignore it. And now what answer you've got? This is 2. This is not right, not the right answer. Is that right? So if you have 4 bits, you can get the addition up to, correct addition up to only number 15. If you have 8 bits, you will get addition up to 127. Sorry, 128. Up to 128. If the addition is greater than 128, you cannot use 8 bits. If the carry generated from MSB, the carry will be ignored. Okay, remember that. And this right here, this phenomenon is called as overflow. And for denoting that overflow, there are some flags. When CPU gets an overflow, something like this, it uh, it sets that flag, overflow flag, and that way the control unit will know that there has been some problem, and the result what is generated, or the result which is saved, cannot be this result is not right and it cannot be saved. Okay, now let's take one more example. um, let's start from here. Okay, I'm going to take 100. Okay, now I'm going to use 8-bit number. Okay, so this is 100. Let's add this 100 with um, 30. Okay, so 30 will be okay, so this will be 0 and 0. This is 30. So the addition is 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, again 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. So this is your result, and the result is 128 plus 2, that is 130. Your answer is right. Sorry, you can represent numbers up to I think 255, up to 255. So if your addition is up to 255, your addition will be correct. Uh, if it is not, then you can you cannot get the right result with 8 bits. You have to increase the number of bits. Okay. So the result, whether the result is correct or not, that can be decided by that will be decided by your number of bits, how many number of bits you are going to use, and that will set some limitations. Okay, that's why I hope you remember, you have seen range of in some programs you get the message like this number is out of range, right? You must have gotten these kind of exceptions while programming. While programming in C language, there is some kind of range, right? I hope you remember studying the range part. And this is what the range is. Only those numbers can be only calculations on that bit numbers can be performed. It is based on actually the registers and also the CPU. What kind of operations can be performed by the CPU? Okay. So I hope you have understood how your CPU performs. CPU, I mean, by CPU, I mean your ALU. ALU performs addition in this way, and if any overflow is there, the flag, overflow flag is set. Okay, we'll stop here and we'll see the subtraction part in our next lecture. Thank you.